How to change iPhone name for Hotspot. So go ahead and open up your settings application. Tap on personal hotspot if it's already here, but if it's not, then go to cellular, turn on cellular data and tap on personal hotspot. Afterwards, go back to settings and check if personal hotspot has appeared. If it does, just scroll down to general and tap on it, as this is where we'll be able to change the hotspot name. In the general options, just tap on about. It's on the very top. In this section, you'll be able to see the phone name. Just tap on that and it will open up a text box. Here, you can just name it anything you want, as the name displayed here will also be the name for your hotspot. After that, just hit done on the bottom right and that should save your hotspot name. If it doesn't stay If it doesn't change instantaneously, then what I recommend is to turn off and turn on your hotspot so that it can refresh the name, or you can just straight up restart your iPhone. So that is how to change iPhone name for hotspot. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.